this video is for the revision of the paper pattern for the exam of science C year. So first of all you just take out the syllabus or paper pattern page which we have given from the school. So here from the back side over here there is a science paper pattern. See, first of all we will just read and discuss that what is there. So in question 1, that is MCQs. So we all know that MCQs will be asked. So which MCQ will be asked and how many marks MCQ will be asked here? 5 MCQ will be there, and then after fill in the blanks, that will also be 5 fill in the blanks, and true or false, 10 true or false will be asked, and match the following. Okay, so there were 8 match the following, and each of half marks, so 4 marks of that. Okay, then answer in paragraph, that is any one, that is of 3 marks. Okay students, and question answer, that is any 5, that is of 2 marks, and answer in one sentence, that is 10, and that are of 1 mark. So here you can see students, here let us discuss about the MCQ. What will be there in the MCQ and which kind of questions will be there. So we all know that we have just learned the chapter number. You can see students, we have learned up to the chapter number 6, that is diseases. Okay students, we have seen diseases, all the diseases. Up to there we have to just learn all the things. In that you can see students, all the chapters exercise have some of the MCQs. So which you have to learn. See here from chapter number, moving towards chapter number 1. See here in the, I am just writing the page numbers over here students. So page number 151, and another is, that is 160 of chapter number 2. Chapter number 3, if we talk about that, then it is at 167, and chapter number 4 at 176 page number. Chapter number 5 184. Chapter number 6 192. So these are the page numbers of MCQ of chapter number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So here is the MCQ. From all the chapters have 5, 5, 6, 6 MCQ. From, if we count 30 MCQ, there will be 5 MCQ. So all 30 MCQ you have to learn. Then moving towards question number 2. So what is question number 2? That is fill in the blanks. Question number 2, that is fill in the blanks. So in that, as we have done in the MCQ, in the fill in the blanks also you have to do the same. Okay students, in the fill in the blanks also you have to do the exercise fill in the blanks. And some one I think I have just taken from the chapter, another else I have taken from the textual exercise only. Okay students, then true false. Moving towards question number 3, true or false. If you want to write the page numbers of fill in the blanks, then you see here I am just writing that on the board. See here, page numbers of fill in the blanks. The fill in the blanks are at, first of all, page number, that is 152, another of lesson number 2, that is at 161, another that is at 16. No, fill in the blanks in chapter number 3 is not there. Okay students, moving forward, chapter number 4, it is at 176. Next, that is chapter number 5, it is at 184. Chapter number 6, that is diseases, in that 192. So these are the page numbers of fill in the blanks. Okay students, fill in the blank. This is the chapter. In third chapter there is no fill in the blanks. Okay students, so from that I can ask from the inside of the chapter. Okay, but it will be easy, you can easily answer that fill in the blanks, that only I have asked one from inside the chapter. Okay students, now moving towards the next, that is true or false. That is question number 3, that is true or false. True or false. See students, from that let us write the page numbers of true or false. So in question number 3, true or false, let us go to the chapter number 1 directly. See here, the true or false of chapter number 1, that is at page number 152. Okay students, then chapter number 2. Chapter number 2, you can see here students, it is on the page number 161. And chapter number 3, chapter number 3 has true or false on the page number 167. And chapter number 4, it has the true or false on the page number 176. And chapter number 5, there is no true or false in the chapter number 5. So it will be, I can take this from the inside of the chapter also, from this in the chapter number 5, true or false is not there. So okay students, and here in the chapter number 6, that is page number 192. Okay students, so from this 8 true or false will be asked. Okay, students, moving forward. Now, the question number 4, that is match the following. Question number 4. That is match the following. Okay, so let us write the page numbers of match the following. Okay, students. So let us write the page numbers of match the following, starting from the chapter number 1. See here in the chapter number 1, 151. It is on the page number 151. Okay, students. Another chapter number 2. Chapter number 2. See here, it is at the page number 160. And chapter number 3. That is at page number 166. Okay. Chapter number 4. In that, on the page number 176, chapter number 5, it is at page number, in the chapter number 5 there is no match the following, so it will be not asked from chapter number 5. Now moving towards chapter number 6, here it is at page number 192. Okay, students, so this is the question number 4, that is match the following. Okay, students, now question number 5. That is answer in paragraph. Question number 5, that is answer in paragraph. So, in the question number 5, answer in paragraph, answer in paragraph. So, that will be asked 1, 2 will be given. From that 2 you have to write only 1, that is answer in paragraph. Let us see on which the answer in paragraph is given. Okay, students, in which chapter? Okay, students, so answer in paragraph, writing the page number on the board, that from which chapter there is answer in paragraph are there. So from the page number, see here, answer in paragraph, I am writing the page number over here. Okay, students, so from the page number, first of all, going towards chapter number 1, that is 152, you can see question number 6, that is answer in paragraph. Okay, so over here 1, then moving towards chapter number 2. See, in the chapter number 2 there is no answer in paragraph, so from that there will be not asked. Then moving towards chapter number 3, here also no answer in paragraph is not there. And chapter number 4, Here also answer in paragraph is not there. Question number 5. Yes, here in the lesson number 5. Here in the page number 185, there is answer in paragraph, that is mention some of the wrong food habits given, give reason why they must not be allowed, followed, sorry, not allowed, followed. Okay, so here I am moving towards chapter number 6. Here also answer in paragraph is not there. So there are only in the 2 chapters only there are answer in paragraph, that is chapter number 1 and chapter number 5. Okay students, so from these 2 chapter only the answer in paragraph will there, one from this chapter and one from this. Okay students, now moving forward, that is question number 6. Question answer. So, question number 6, that is question answer. Question So, let us write page numbers of question answers. Okay students, so in the question answer means answer the following questions. Okay students, question answer means answer the following questions. Let us see in which chapter that is. Let us write that the chapters. So, in the chapter number 1, that is plants and animals, you can see here question number 5 is given on the page number 152. Okay, moving towards lesson number 2, that is adaptation in animals and plants. That is, it is on the page number 161, and lesson number 3, that is dispersal of seeds, that is dispersal of the seeds from that page number 167. Okay students, moving forward, lesson number 4, it is on the page number 177. Okay, and lesson number 5, it is on the question number 3, that is page number 185. And lesson number 6, that is diseases, from that it is at page number 193. Okay students, so first of all let me explain this. Okay students, so here question answers are of 2 marks students. So question answers are of 2 marks. So first of all, what you have to keep in mind, that I am just telling. So please listen this carefully, that in what I have done in question number 5, answer in paragraph, there is only from 2 chapters, that is page number 152 and 185. One will be asked from here and one will be asked from page number 185, and one will be asked from 152. From that 2 you have to write only 1. Okay, that is of 3 marks. Moving forward, that is question number 6. Answer the following question or question answer. You can write anything. So that is on the page number 152, 161, 167, 177, 185, 193. So this is in all chapter 1 to 6. So this question number 6, that is of 2 marks each question. Each question is of 2 marks. So you have to think that which can be asked in 2 marks. That only you have to learn. I am giving you a hint. Okay students, so that you have to keep in your mind that from this only you have to learn which can be asked of 2 marks. You know that 2 marks question, how many lines or how many there. Okay students, I don't need to tell that. Okay, now moving forward, there is question number 7. Question number 7, that is answer in one sentence. Question number 7, answer in one sentence. Okay students, answer in one sentence, that is question number 7, and that is our last question. So here in these, what can be asked? 1 mark question is there students. This is 1 mark question. So now you have to decide that from this there is of 2 marks, and from this is of 1 marks. So you have to learn these short questions which are in the exercise, that are of 2 or 3 lines, about 2 or 3 lines, that you have to learn for the answer in one sentence. And else you have to learn for question answer or answer the following question. So here the page number will remain same only students, because in answer in one sentence, that also I have taken most of from the exercise only. See here, I am giving you an example students. See here what I have done. I am telling you that question, if you just take out your page number, wait students, I am just finding an example for that. See here, in the page number 177, question number 5, that is answer the following question. Okay students, answer the following question. So in that I am giving you example of this question number 7, answer in one sentence. How I have asked, I am just giving you idea about that. So here you can see on the page number 177, all have just take out the page number 177, and here question number 5, that is answer the following question above here, and you can see the E, that is which is the largest part of the brain, why is it important? So what I have just done, I am just giving you example students. I have asked in one sentence, which is the largest part of the brain? That can be asked of one sentence. Yes, this is the largest part of brain. Yes or no students? I have just cut half of the question, that why it is important. I have cut that, and I have only asked that which is the largest part of the brain. In this I have taken like this some of the examples, but all not. Okay students, you don't have to do all like this. Here there are some of the small one line answer, that also you have to do. Means in question number 6 and question number 7, that will be asked from answer the following question only. Okay students, So here I am just writing the page number same as question number 6, that is 152, 161, 167, 177, 185 and 193. Okay students, this you have to learn from the answer the following question only. This both question number 6 and question number 7. I am repeating it again. The question number 6 is 2 mark each question and question number 7 is 1 mark each question. Okay students, so you have to think something just extraordinary so that you can find the questions for 1 mark and 2 mark. Okay students, this is all your paper pattern and I have given the page numbers on which page number it is, but 98 to 99% I have taken from this only, from the page numbers which I have given you. But some of the questions I have not taken from the exercise, that are only 1 or 2 only, not 2 or 3, 1 or 2, which I have just taken from inside the chapter. Okay students, so don't be panic. If you have just learned the whole chapter, then you can easily answer that question. Okay students, so if you want to score out of 40 above 35, then you will do this only, then you can score that. And if you want to score 40 after 40, then you have to learn these things and you have to read chapter once, all the chapter once. So first I would like to tell you, first of all do this all things and then after start reading the chapter. Okay students, first of all you do all the things which I have given in the page number. So these are some of the scoring marks. Okay students, let me tell it again. In the question number 1, that is MCQ, it is on the page number 151, 160, 167, 176, 184, 192. And question number 2, that is fill in the blanks, that is on the page number 152, 161, 76, 84 and 192. And true or false, that is on the page number 152, 161, 167, 176, 192. And question number 4, that is match the following, that is page number 151, 160, 166, 176, 192. And question number 5, that is answer in paragraph. I am repeating it again students. From 152 there will be 1 and 185 there will be 1. Okay, and from that 2 I will you have to write only 1. And here question number 6, that is question answer or answer the following question, that and answer in one sentence, that you have to do from the answer the following which is in the textual exercise. I have written here the page numbers. Okay students, if you have any doubt you can just contact me. Okay students, but if you will ask the silly doubts, I will not give an answer to you. Okay students, I am not free for that all times, but if you have a major doubt, then I will answer. But some of you are just not have seriousness about this exam, I think. Okay students, now here we complete this video. Okay students, and best of luck for the exam, and I wish all just get the good marks. Okay students, we will meet in the next video. Okay, bye students.